Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add reminders widget to iPhone lock screen. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, tap on iPhone lock screen blank option and press. Then tap on edit option. Okay, and click on add widget and scroll down and choose reminder. Okay, then scroll down and click on this option reminders and add a list, and that's all. To add reminders widgets to iPhone lock screen, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.